In order to provide an efficient scientific research tool for underwater observation, detection, and sampling for watershed scientific research and environmental protection tools, Chasing launches the Chasing M2 Pro Max Watershed Protection Solution. The Chasing M2 Pro Max industrial-grade underwater ROV operation platform carries a multi-parameter sonda, which can obtain the pH value, dissolved oxygen, turbidity, conductivity, salinity, and other water quality parameters of the target water in real time, and be used for the qualitative water quality analysis. The water sampler, mounted, can collect the water sample of the target water with a single collection of 500 milliliters of water, which is simple and convenient. Chasing M2 Pro Max is perfect for long dives up to 200 meters deep. Its maximum radius of movement can reach 400 meters. It can realize wide scope, multi-point, layered real-time multi-parameter detection, and layered water intake. The sediment sampler on the grabber arm can sample underwater mud and other sediments, which facilitates the sampling and analysis for researchers. Meanwhile, researchers can observe the growth of underwater creatures and plants through the 4K lens, or check whether there are leakage and fracture in the pipeline, which can affect the water quality. The USBL underwater positioning system can display real-time position during water quality testing and sampling, providing accurate coordinates for sampling at different points. The optional waterproof screen remote control with the built-in high brightness screen is waterproof and resistant to high and low temperatures. After the sampling is completed, the data can be exported from the SD card for digitization, archiving, and retention. Chasing M2 Pro Max provides pictures, videos, positioning, and other data for watershed scientific research and environmental protection, which greatly enhances the precision of inspection reports. It can also greatly reduce the inspection time, lower the inspection cost, and increase the inspection coverage area, providing a more scientific, efficient, and reliable solution for the watershed protection industry.